Welcome to Goodland. Oh, I love Goodland. Technically, it's part of Marco Island, but actually, technically, it's part of the love of my life, Goodland, Florida. All right, so here we are, approaching Goodland, Florida, Kathy.
I know,
It's a
your
special-
favorite place.
Special, best water tank ever over there.
The most decorative.
You see, you got the birds, you got the panther, you got the manatees, the sea turtles, the bears, the bald eagle, and this is a great little road over here.
You actually have jogged down this road.
Yeah, this is 5 miles from our condo. Exactly 5 miles to the little village of Goodland over here, and this is, like I said, this is technically part of Marco Island, but there's a very
different feel
over here. This is kind of let loose, have some fun. We're going to take you on a tour of Goodland today. We're going to take you on, we're going to have lunch at Stan's, which we're going to explain.
That's because it's Sunday, and Sunday is fun day.
Sunday is fun day.
Stan's.
We're going to show you Krabby Lady. We're going to show you Paradise Found. We're going to show you Little Bar. And we're also going to show you the marina where the Freedom Boat Club is and all of the wrecks that you can keep your boat in over here at Goodland. This is an amazing place, and I am excited. Now,
It's very calm, except for Sundays.
Sunday, but here's the thing. Today is actually the last day of Stan's Sunday Fun Day.
Yeah, for the season.
For the season. It's
Right.
it's the closing of the season. Can you see the sign right there? Historic Fishing Village, Goodland Civic Center. If you can zoom in on that a little bit.
I'm trying.
Yeah. And yeah, that's good right there. Yeah. And this is amazing. And then here I'll go up here, and you can see Stan's where we're gonna have lunch. Now, normally on a busy Sunday, this place, you couldn't even get parking here. This would be insane.
It's calm today.
It is calm
good.
today.
I see a picnic table with our name on it.
Yeah, and
Excellent.
today my favorite band is playing, which is the Shane Duncan Band, and I can't wait to go in there and see them.
Okay, well, let's pull in here and get some parking.
All right. Well, there it is, Kathy.
Your favorite place.
Stan's Idle Hour. And yeah, very famous for anyone who's down here in Southwest Florida. This place gets crazy hopping. It's the end of the season. What's so amazing is down here in Southwest Florida, the summer is the off season.
It's off season,
right? It's kind of like Aspen or Killington, Vermont in the
Sure, you
summer.
want to be down
It's
here in the
sleepy and
winter.
quiet, but it gets so sleepy and quiet that at Stan's they just shut down for the summer. And yeah, Stan's Idle Hour. So, good stuff here. Picnic tables, fried seafood, beers.
Do you want to try to get under the awning over there or over here?
Yeah, wherever you
Well,
like.
these are good. These are really shady today.
Well, let's go around.
Okay.
Let's go around the corner here.
Sounds good.
All right. So here we have stands all set up, and it looks like the band is going to start in a little while here. So let's go around the corner over here and maybe sit by the boats. Wow, this is some rig right here. I'm loving that. That is beautiful. People having a good time here. The Hurricane pontoon boat. This is some rig. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I'm loving that. That is gorgeous. But yeah, this is what happens here. The only thing about it today is it's relatively quiet, and just a lot of fun here. This is the way we do it in Southwest Florida, folks. Awesome.
End of the season, nice and calm. We found a table right
Got a
away.
beautiful table.
Got to fight for a spot in the high season.
Yeah, this is a classic place. You'll see right behind me, behind the bar, there's license plates from all over the place. Southwest Florida is very, very famous. Well, you get a lot of people that are.
Did you want fries or anything with it?
No.
Okay, just a second.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It's a very proud place where they play the national anthem.
So this is, we got one more Sunday after today. Next Sunday will be our last Sunday for the summer. We'll batten down the hatches here and get ready for hurricane season. Be closed July, August, and September. and we'll reopen the first weekend in October. No matter what you hear, we will reopen. Please stand up. We're going to do the Star Spangled Banner.
Get some good country, good
really
rock
good bands
bands.
come down, particularly
So,
in season. And I think the band playing today on the last day is one of your favorite
it is the
bands.
Shane Duncan Band. They're one of my favorites that I've seen here. Food has come, and I got the scallops with the French fries. And Kathy, you just got a plain, just a grilled cheese. Yeah, that's fine. That's all you need, right? What more do you need than that? So this is not the Shane Duncan Band. This is actually Phenomenal Animal, and they're pretty good. They're really good. I mean, Kathy, what do you go? Thumbs up? They're really good. They're rocking it. But next weekend, it's the last weekend. I guess that's July. It'll be July 6th. And then they're shutting it down. So just past Stan's is the Little Bar, which is really a locals fan favorite. It's just recently purchased by the guy who owns Sammy's Pizza.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
I think I knew that.
Yeah, he did. And they've got local seafood, and stone crabs are kind of like a big deal. I don't know, do you call this a trailer park? But they're so cute. Each one is unique, and it's right here. And what's interesting is the water is right on the canal. Not all of them have canal frontage, but a lot of them do. Let me see the camera for a quick second. This over here, fresh fish, but you can see all these crab traps over here. They're not just selling fish. They're going out into the ocean, into the Gulf, and they are catching them as well. Wow, Kathy, it's closed for the season. This in high season is a great place. There's a huge deck in the back over there. A crabby lady. They've really expanded this out. I'm gonna have you take video on that side, scan out a little bit. This used to be just like a local little bar, and then they put this grass tiki hut under there, and this is really for if you're not into necessarily the rowdy stand scene. This is a little bit mellower, right on the water, so you can pull up with your boat, and then they have sand over here with the picnic tables, very similar, and then to the left you see that that's the stage.
Under the tiki hut.
And they've got some amazing talent that come in here and play, like no joke. That's.
Did I get it? I can't tell.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
There it is.
That is not a bad day. That's a bad day in paradise.
I would say that was a hurricane.
I don't know, either that or too much drinking. So Kathy, over on the right is Little Bar, and they have a nice back deck, waterfront dining over there.
Get a little of that deck.
Yeah, you know what? I'll go over there and get a shot of it. And
But it's very nice back there. And in fact, sometimes when we can't get into stands, we walk over here and sit on the deck of.
But look at the cutest little post office ever. I love this post office.
I mean, who has a post office that looks this cute?
That is Goodland, Florida, zip code 34140. So technically part of Marco Island, but separate as well. And then as we drive around the neighborhood here, nothing crazy big or expensive, although it kind of has been turning over a little bit. Look at this. Someone looks like they maybe bought this and fixed it. There is a public boat dock over here, which I'll show you in a minute. There, if you go down at the end of this strait, there's kind of, I don't want to call it a hotel. I don't know what it is, motel, but I guess, what is this, Pink House Motel? Yeah, the Pink House Motel. Now, this is definitely,
There is the Pink House Motel.
that is definitely
I don't think I'll be
not
staying.
like the JW Marriott. But if you scan over here, Kathy, you can see the water is right over. Yeah, the water is literally, Kathy, I think we should buy this lot and build we should build a deeper shade of pink hotel. And we'll call it a hotel, not a motel. So you can see over here, Kathy, some of the lots that are on the water have, they've been sort of doing tear downs and putting up nicer units. I mean, that's a beautiful house over there.
Well, I think that might be a town.
Yeah, they're like multiple units of some sort, but they're right on the water. And
This little thing for rent.
oh, that
Look
is
at
that
It
is
looks like a
adorable.
dollhouse.
I wonder if it comes with the F-150 and the boat. Look at that.
That is sweet.
That is sweet. Honey, you want to?
It's like a dollhouse.
That is so cute. We should rent that. Here's an open house going on, Kathy. What do you think?
I don't think you have time for that today.
Why? Oh, that looks really sweet. Yeah, I like that. And it's on a canal. Oh man, if I had more time, I'd go in there. Do you take MasterCard or Visa? There's a beautiful new house right there. That is gorgeous.
That I like.
That is really beautiful. Very pretty. I think Goodland is turning. I think it's really turning.
Yeah, well, there's only so much land left now, you know?
It's
So
true.
You have to take advantage of maybe a little small house that somebody doesn't want to flip and they want to build something else.
Yeah. All right, let's head over to the boat docks.
We come on the Sloop John, my grandfather and me. Around Nassau town we did roll, drinking all night, got into a fight, Well, I feel so break up, I wanna go home, Hoist up the John B. sails, see how the mainsail set. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. Let me go home. I want to go home. I wanna go home. Why don't you let me go home? Well, I feel so break up. I wanna go home. I want to go home. First mate, he got drunk, broke up the people strong. Constable had to come and take him away. Sheriff Johnstone, why don't you leave me alone? Well, I feel so break up. I wanna go home. So now hoist up the John B. sails, see how the mainsail set. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home.
All right, well, Stans, good time today. Thank you for the scallops. That was real good.
Well, the poor cook, he caught me fits, throw away all of my grits. Then he
So Kathy, this little parking lot right over here is, you can see stands off in the distance. It's closed off today, but in the peak season, they charge $10 and you can't even get in there. So everyone parks, like you were saying, like 2 miles up the road. I mean, it's crazy. Everyone parks on the side of the road over here.
hoist up the John B. sail, see how the mainsail set, call for the captain ashore, let me go home, let me go home. I wanna go home. Why don't you let me go home? Well, I feel so break up. I wanna go home. Now hoist up the John B. sails, see how the mainsail set.
the Cybertruck of boats right there. But yeah, this is a cool spot here to launch your boat. And out on the other side of the weeds, I don't know what they call those things over there. There's a whole marina over there. And years ago, we were thinking about keeping a boat over there, but we decided against it. This is where the boat launch is here. And as a matter of fact, you can see the Freedom Boat Club.